Hello, Professor Solis. I hope you're doing well today. This is my analysis for the We're Safe solution. As you can see, I divided the shape into four parts. Part one is simply the base for the amount of stars to draw, so 9 on the left and 10 on the right. Part two is divided into two segments. Spaces inside is 7 for case 9, and spaces inside is 8 for case 10, giving us the formula base minus 2. In addition, for rows to be drawn, we use base divided by 2 minus 1 to get the 3 for case 9 and 4 for case 10. For part 3, we use the same formula base divided by 2 minus 1 to get the spaces inside and use it as a condition for the loop. For part 4, since we are doing integer division, we were able to do base divided by 2 right here to get the amount of stars to draw. As you can see below, we have these oval shapes to signify that we will do some sort of looping in these parts. To confirm if our formula works, we created a table, and our numbers are correct for cases 11 and 12 as well. Moving on to the code, we have our node up here, then we have the function prototypes. In our int main function, we have our decorations, then we're going to check for the user input if it is between 8 and 15. If it's not, we allow them to enter another number that is within that range. Then after that, we have our node creation and row creation, following that essentially every row is a node of itself. For part 1, uses the store stars function, which prints the number of stars using base amount. Part 2 uses spaces inside formula we created in analysis and uses a for loop to print the stars and spaces. For part 3, uses the base divided by 2 minus 1 condition for the spaces inside to make sure we stop looping when we reach a certain amount of spaces inside. For part 4, we print the number of stars using base divided by 2. Then we go ahead and traverse the list. Then we delete the nodes. Following that is our store stars function, which takes in a next node and stores the star in the row. And the same goes for the next function, but it stores spaces. Finally, the last function we got is the traversal, the linked list, and prints it. Then let's run the code and see how it works. I'm typing 9. Boom. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, check the spaces inside. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. This is how we got this coding. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.